Okay, we're getting our first delivery. We're gonna buy 1,000 hollow blocks. We got the first 500. I did some quick math. I think I only need about 800, but they're buying extra because, as you can see by these deformed ones here and these broken ones here, the hollow blocks here are really, really shitty. You can pick these things up from 2 feet off the ground and drop them and they just break. So they pile them together, they run the steel rebar through them, it's over there. Fill them up, they fill all the holes with cement to strengthen it. So you lose the insulation property of the air, I guess, I don't know. But we got some sand, some gravel. There's gonna be some bags of cement somewhere. I guess they're coming in later. This is the first day we're getting anything delivered. So we're starting to build a house. There's a bunch of bamboo here. They use bamboo for everything here, so who knows. Probably some support or scaffolding, or we're gonna make fishing poles. I don't know. But yeah, these bricks are pretty junky, unfortunately. But I didn't feel like making my own. We got some rebar. Some more broken ones there. Yeah, buying extras is a good idea. And since Uncle is building his house at the same time, anything left over I'm going to give to him to use anyway. So buying some extra is fine. The delivery guys are getting lunch. It's always a good idea to feed them. So there we go. First delivery. Well, just came back around to where we're going to put the house, and they've got the cement here already too, so that's good. We're going to start on the foundation here pretty soon, I suppose. It's going right here. It's kind of shady, kind of, got a little bit of sun there, but a little spot in the afternoon. But if I back up, most of the house is all going to be shady. We've got they did trim the trees a little bit. That's where that sun came in. It was completely shady, but this limb was really low. It was going to be in the way of the house, so they had to trim a couple limbs. Told them not to cut any more than they have to. He is cutting down this tree, if I can point to it maybe. Not really. That tree. He is cutting down that because the front door is going to be right there. I was like, why don't we just back the house up and leave that tree? Because it also provides shade. But he says, like I said before, he's going to take this path out and move the path on the other side. There's a garden, a little vegetable garden right there is on his land. So he's going to move the path over because the cousins over here and these three houses need the path. That's the end of the road here. There's no other houses. But he's going to move the path over. So he's going to take that tree out, and the house is going to be forward up there. And that will give us more room here in the back behind it. It's only going to be, like I said, 20 feet long, 21 feet something. So I don't know if you can see how big this space is, but 20 feet is not going to be much. We should have a pretty decent sized area in the back. And I think he's trying to offset it a little bit because the wind goes across this way. Half the year it blows that direction. The other half of the year it blows that direction. So anyway, they're putting in elevated bedrooms here. They left an old bedroom and kitchen, and you can see the forms for their rooms. They're putting in a couple bedrooms here, and the floor is going to be up on this beam here. They're going to have steps going up, so when it floods they have somewhere to go, which is good because we probably need it too. Yeah, it doesn't look like much yet. It's a piece of land right now. But we got some cement, and over there we got gravel, and have girls sitting in the shade. That's always good. Yeah, there's people. There's a nephew and a cousin and a wife. So, but this will be all right. And right now it's quiet. See, there's just some birds chirping, and there's no stereos. That's not going to last, but right now it's okay. I've got some places here to hang my hammock. I think it'll be good. We got this tree laying down, which I love the way this tree fell down and kept growing because it's very comfortable to lay on this tree. You come in here and lay on this, you don't even need a hammock. Just watch out for the bugs. So, and so they were able to pull the truck in all the way instead of they were going to have to carry the stuff another, it was like I said, 150 yards, 150 meters, whatever. It's going to cost 17,000 pesos, which is, I don't know, $300 for delivery. And if I had to carry the stuff that far, that's what I'd charge too, so I don't blame them. But luckily they were able to bring the truck in, and delivery is much cheaper. I don't know how much, but much cheaper. So anyway, we'll be adding more videos as this starts to become something other than a piece of dirt. Okay, little experiment. I've heard how bad the cement is here. That's why a lot of guys make their own bricks. I'm just not going to do that because I figured if they live in it, you know, they build them here, they live in them, they got to be good enough, right? Well, let's see about these bricks. These are cement bricks. Oh, wow, check that out. Yeah, that's some top quality cement here, guys. Wow. Just crumble it by hand. And that's going to be my house. Yeah, it gives me great confidence. Okay. Well, welcome to the Philippines. I turned around and I'm being attacked by this giant stick attached to my wife. Can we see it? Sort of. There's a bag on there and she's picking fruit. You missed. You missed. If I keep saying you missed, you're going to hit me with that stick, aren't you?
I didn't.
But I think I've shown how we pick fruit here before. But I just turned around and was being attacked by a stick.